We are now on page 70 of our Journeys Reader's Notebook, and this is talking about subjects, predicates, and complete sentences. And we've done a little bit about this before, okay? And really what we're trying to do is we're trying to eliminate sentence fragments. And one of the ways I like to talk to you guys about sentence fragments are if you were to write out a sentence on a piece of paper and walk up to a stranger at the park and then read them that sentence, will they at least have an understanding of a little bit about what you're talking about? Okay, that's why you have to have that complete thought in that sentence. All right, let's talk about this down here on page 70. We are at the top where it's got a little grid and it's got subject and the predicate. We're trying to identify, is there a subject and is there a predicate? The sentence says, many marine animals are endangered. The subject the subject is many marine animals. And the predicate is are endangered. So yes, there's the subject and there's the predicate. Down below that, we have a sentence that says, an unusual forest creature, ... So yeah, you're not conveying, if you walked up to someone and said, many marine animals are endangered, they would go, yes, that's true. And it's a little weird that you would ask me because you're a stranger. But you know what I mean, okay? But if you walked up to that same stranger and said, an unusual forest creature, they would have a whole lot more questions going, what are you talking about? All right, so you could have said an unusual forest creature is the tree kangaroo, and it is an endangered species. They would have gone, well, thank you for that bit of unusual knowledge, but thank you anyhow, okay? Easy. The complete sentence has to have a full, complete thought, has to have a subject and a predicate. That's what this lesson is doing. We are talking down below here. We're going to underline the subject of each sentence once. So it gets one underline, the subject. So many marine animals would have had one underline. And the predicate of each sentence, you're going to underline twice. So there's one underline. Many marine animals would have been one underline, and are endangered. The predicate is going to be double underlined. And guess what? If the sentence does not have a subject and a predicate, then what you would do is you'd write the word fragment, because it's not a complete sentence. It is a sentence fragment, okay? So let's have a look at number 1 down here, and let's see what we have to do with it, okay? All right, the scientists work for a vital cause. Is there a subject and is there a predicate? The subject here would be, say it with me, the scientists. Thank you. Good job, guys. Now, the predicate would be work for a vital cause. So yeah, is there a subject and is there a predicate? Yes, please underline the subject once and underline the predicate twice. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Okay, number 2 says, the tree kangaroos, it just says, number 2, tree kangaroos are shy and secretive. Is that a complete thought? Yeah, it is. Does it convey a sentence? Does it convey a complete sentence? Yes, it does. It is not a sentence fragment. So we're going to figure out what is the subject and what is the predicate here. The subject for tree kangaroos are shy and secretive would be, that's right, good job, tree kangaroos. Those underlined once, and shy and secretive gets underlined twice. Go ahead and do that, and then we'll move on to the next one because I feel like you guys need to see this one, okay? So, picture yourself again walking up to the proverbial stranger and saying to them, in the trees, the golden-haired animal. Of course, that stranger is going to look around, and the tree is looking for a golden-haired animal, waiting for them to attack, because they don't know what that is. All right? You have to complete the thought. Is there a subject? The golden-haired animal, yeah. Is there a predicate? No, it's not doing anything. So right there, in that blank space, we would write fragment. Now, that's 1 through 3. I think 4 through 10. I really want to see you guys get cracking on this. Please do a good job. Thank you. If you have any questions,